Hi, welcome you. This is another insightful content which is about how to share badge you received via Credly to LinkedIn. For the demonstration, I'm going to share the Azure AI Fundamental Certification badge I have earned. I did the exam through Certiport. Certiport is an skilling company. They provide effective learning and practice materials as well as industry recognized exams. Certiport has sent the Azure AI Fundamental Certification badge I have earned via Credly. Once you have passed the relevant exam, you will receive an email similar to this one. If the exam hosted company share their badges via Credly, then you have to accept the badge using this uh, button. To accept the badge, you need to have an account in the Credly which is associated with the email to which the mail you received. If you don't have an account, you need to create it first. Once you have completed the account creation process and sign into Credly, you can accept the badge. To accept the badge, you have to click this. I have already accepted the badge, so I will go to the Credly dashboard. In this dashboard, I can see the Azure AI Fundamentals badge I have earned, as well as you can view the badge in your profile in the Credly. To do that, you have to click the profile in here, and then you have to go to this badge wallet. In here also you can see the badges you have earned. So to do the sharing to LinkedIn, I will click that and go to the badge, and I will click this share button, and in here I will click this LinkedIn button, and now I have prompted to enter a message. If you have prompted to log into the LinkedIn to authorize the sharing of badge, you have to enter the credentials to authorize. Once you have done the authorization process, you will be prompted this dialog to enter a message to share your badge to the LinkedIn. So I'm going to paste a message I have already created. So I'm keep this ticked options because I need to add to profile as well as share to feed. So to share, I click this. It opens another dialog. So I click save. I click next. Let's check whether it was already posted. So let's refresh the LinkedIn. Yeah, this is already have posted. So I'm going not to do that. So I will close this. So I will again refresh. Yeah, you can clearly see that I have uh, completed the sharing process to LinkedIn, because I can confirm that because it is showing in the license and certifications, and also this is in the post section as well. So I hope this is a valuable for learners. So we'll join with another insightful content. Till then, thank you, bye.